listening to the Kevin and Bean Show on the world-famous K-Rock, 106.7 KRO. We got a special guest to talk to about it. It's like you catch a fish in a lake and you put it out on the ground and just like flops around on the ground completely. It's like a fish out of water is what it's like. Now, he's not going to want to spend much time with all those other boys in their room come pretty here a couple years. We've got to get to the bottom of what in the hell is going on with this Blue Man Group. These guys, they paint their faces red. Monday morning we have an all-new Kevin and Bean Show. And how often have you used it? Did you know that going into when you started on the second office, when you were on the outside office, not the main one? Where was you?
So what, he sounds drunk. So what, he can't speak. Maybe he's dumb. He's special needs. What's he talking about? Man, he sounds crappy. Kevin's a big-headed drunkie.
When you roast E-Fiesta 2007.
Oh, my God.
I saw him as a what do you call him?
I don't
Guy that does color commentary. By the way, just for the movie theaters, it's not a hard one, but if you heard it, but it is the way you heard it. Is that, so he doesn't, are you a regular Duck fan? Will you watch all the time, him?
Yeah, not even an accident. I mean, it's not even his, you don't do it on purpose. You also don't make accidents. You have to do it, like they say.
Yes, and you see these sites you never knew existed, but they're right up here, and it just, hours. But the photos sure do look good.
So what, he sounds drunk. So what, he can't speak. Maybe he's dumb. He's special needs. What's he talking about? Man, he sounds crappy. Kevin's a big-headed drunkie.
Now that's par for the of course. I got it. That's a toss-up. And here's the disadvantage in this story. When good men fail to stand up, bad triumphs, or whatever that is. We need an update for when it comes out on DVD.
What did you do?
Are you here to protect us? Not hot?
That song is over, and now we will speak.
It's the Kevin and Bean Show on the world-famous K-Rock.
I need to do the Dave plan next time.
I need to do the Dave plan next time. I'm not drunk. We owe every one of you that listen to the show a great debt of gratitude. I don't think that's what I meant to say.
So what, he sounds drunk. So what, he can't speak. Maybe he's dumb. He's special needs. What's he talking about? Man, he sounds crappy. Kevin's a big-headed drunkie.
The great Al Pacino. Good morning.
What?
I don't know what this is.
This is Sean Connery talking about curling.